Have you ever been skiing or sliding down a snowy hill?
Show me with your hands.
Look, Grandpa, are these the mountains we climbed?
Yes, they are.
But there's a whole...
World more to see. This is Cortina d'Ampezzo.
That?
It's famous for skiing in the Dolomites, Ping, one of the most beautiful mountain ranges in the world.
I want to ski there.
I do. I want to ski there.
Huh?
Buy the biggest skis. Spend all your money. You don't need to save, give, or invest anything.
Everyone say it together. No way, Mr. Wrong!
Today's word of wisdom is stewardee. A steward takes good care of the things they are given. That includes money, time, and even sports equipment.
Maybe I should rent skis instead of buying expensive ones. That's a smart way to save.
That's a wise way to manage your money. Well done, Billy. Now, who's ready for the mountain?
Yeah!
Woohoo! Look how high we are!
Hi, Billy. We see you.
Careful stewards take care of what they have.
Hey.
This reminds me of a special Bible verse.
Moreover, it is required of stewards that they be found faithful.
You're saving again?
I want to be a good steward of my money and my skis.
Now, your turn. Would you rather ski fast or save wisely for something?
Tell me in the comments below.